How much more likely is some kind of move from the ECB now next week?
In terms of tangible measures, we don't think we were going to get anything out of the ECB next Thursday, because I think, at least to us, Draghi made quite clear at the last meeting that the bar is really high. That being said, of course, now after the data we had today out of the single countries, another drop on Monday in the flash HICP for the Eurozone is quite likely. So Draghi may mention that or refer to that in the Q&A.
Okay, so, and what is the expectation on Monday? Is it 0.6 from 0.7 now?
Yes, absolutely. So we have been actually forecasting this 0.6 for quite some time. Also the data coming out of Germany, so to us in a way it's not such a surprise. But that being said, we also have to keep in mind that at least our forecast is that after March we're going to see quite a decent stabilization in inflation going forward, which again is positive for the ECB in a way. I
mean, some are saying, look, if this drop is due to energy prices and hotel rooms, the ECB is going to take this with a pinch of salt. Is that your feeling?
Let's say at least what the ECB is making out of it, indeed. However, you know, when you look at the underlying drivers, especially when we look at Spain, you know, where inflation is now back in negative territory, it's not only just, say, these mechanical statistical effects, but really structural disinflationary forces which are at play. So this problem is going to stay with us.
You and I have talked about what you call pick-up safe havens quite a bit over the last few weeks. Makes your Spains and your Italys look even more attractive, this, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've been having this call of long peripherals for quite a while now, and we still feel very much comfortable with it, because in most of market scenarios we see these bonds performing.
Is it the trade though for you now? Buy Spain, buy Italy, you know, buy Portugal.
Yeah, it is. It still is indeed. So going into Q2, we think that long duration in peripherals and also long peripheral spreads is still a juicy trade, indeed.
What about the euro now and its level? I mean, yes, it's come off. I think we're 137-ish now. 140, they say, is this sort of danger level for the Eurozone, for the ECB. Where do you think the euro's headed?
I think also there we had quite a few ECB speakers on the wires, and you know, I think the FX market is a bit cautious with regards to this 140 level now that the ECB has stepped up its stance, particularly also Whiteman, so the Bundesbank. And I think, well, for the time being, we're just going to trade that way into the ECB meeting next Thursday.